So this is the second episode of Pro Talks. This is an initiative by Proctor, wherein we talk to a educator who basically shares his or her journey with us, and which may be beneficial for other coaching classes, teachers, and definitely for students as well. So today we have Hani Gupta sir with us from Hani Tutorials, which is a established institution in Delhi area. So
Hello,
let me
sir.
welcome Hani Gupta sir. Talking about Hani sir, he is very special to Proctor. Uh,
Yes, thank
let
you.
me,
Thank you, Nishant sir. Thank you so much.
so let me introduce him by saying he is our first customer when we started our journey in year 2016. It's over 4 years now. That time we just developed a basic product, and I was very happy to sell it to Hani sir. And he started at that time, started believing in us. And about his background, he teaches to 9th, 10th classes maths and social science, and to 11th and 12th class accounts and economics. He has over 15 years of teaching experience. He has established his institution from zero to till date, taught teaching over 8,000 plus students till date. So that's just a brief introduction. He is very ambitious person, believes in technology, and tries to adopt to whatever we throw at him. So welcome, Hani sir, once again. So we want to hear from you about your journey. How did you start? And then we'll come to the topic for today.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nishant Agrawal sir. First of all, I am actually, you know that I am from the commerce background. First thing. So, I have started my journey from 2005 with a single home tuition class, I guess.
Okay.
But today I am actually totally against the home tuition classes because I like the bulk students in one batch. So
Mm-hmm.
first of all, सबसे पहले तो thanks to you that I am able to manage all the things just because of your Proctor software. Today मुझे आज भी वो आपका वो डे याद है that you came at my Rajori Garden Center first time and you introduced me that
Right.
sir this is my basic software and please adopt it. तो उसमें जस्ट मैंने देखा भी कि जो जो चेंजेस थे that required changes I also suggest you. But it's a
Right.
very great and very I'm very thankful to Proctor team also and especially तो निशांत सर तो हैं ही हमारे तो जिन्होंने इतना मेरे को सपोर्ट किया इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
नहीं, thanks to
मेरी
you, sir, for believing in us.
नहीं सर बिल्कुल एंड मुझे आई गेस आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू बी and I am the first customer of the Proctor. I know.
We are proud of it.
And
So how did you start your journey, and why did you come to teaching?
uh, actually, our coaching center, that is coaching industry, is
Mm-hmm.
basically, I guess, no teacher and no person just have imagined while we are studying as a
Right.
student. So we have not planned that we are or they had here this stage that we will start our coaching institute. I have
Uh-huh.
never planned. If I am
Right.
talking with myself, I have never planned. But from the student, from the my studenthood, I used to teach my friends, especially
Acha.
even my school manager and school principal.
Uh-huh.
They also support me कि this that ये कुछ करेगा ये कुछ बनेगा. I remember that principal and my school manager.
Uh-huh.
I was in 10th class and in the recess period, I'm teaching trigonometry to my friend and in the recess time. And at that time, the some principal and manager they are on round
Mm-hmm.
and उन्होंने मेरे को देखा and totally shocked कि हो क्या रहा है. तो मैंने कहा सर इसको आती नहीं थी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. तो वो बड़ा अच्छा और आज तक मैं उसको अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी एंड इवन आई यूज्ड टू गो ऑन टीचर्स डे ऑन माय स्कूल.
Okay.
I'm passed out from Saraswati Bal Mandir Rajori Garden
Okay.
and every 5 September my day is booked at more than half
Acha.
day I spend there with my teachers with all
Uh-huh.
principals.
Okay.
तो इंस्पिरेशन आई कैन से कि मुझे वहीं से मिली.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
एंड secondly, uh, ठीक है, today also there is some trend that some freshers, especially teachers, some fresher teachers, they just start this, they enter this coaching industry just for a pocket money,
Right.
right? And if they get any some superior jobs or some even in school job, if they're doing some the required professional degrees, so
Mm-hmm.
like B.Ed and all, so they start working in schools, so
Right.
they leave this coaching industry. But
Mm-hmm.
I have never planned to join any school and
Mm-hmm.
all ever. I don't want to still. I don't want to join. But
Mm-hmm.
it's it's very special and very. I am very ambitious and very particular about my coaching institute. That I want to take it to
Right.
or more heights with the support of you, especially. Even
Now we are seeing
this.
that year by year, definitely you are growing faster.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, sir. And
Right.
especially in the pandemic situation, only I guess only you are, that is Nishant Agrawal is the only person I just want to tell my target audience who are there, so that there is only Nishant Agrawal, sir, who support me and inspire me. No, just start, sir. Just take a initiative and just do once and take a up 10 days का 15 days का सर आप start to करो. एंड मैं वेटिंग पे था, मैंने कहा नहीं सर अभी ओवर हो जाएगा, जस्ट अ मिनट, नेक्स्ट वन स्टार्ट करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वन स्टार्ट करेंगे. But in April, we are on the rest, especially. But
Right.
from the first May, I know it's thanks to Proctor Life, जिन्होंने बिल्कुल इतना सपोर्ट किया मेरे को, और आज स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे पास. एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई गेस ठीक है, देयर इज सम पॉइंट्स कि that everywhere there is a scenario. We know that pandemic situation, but still I am doing
Right.
good on my side. I am doing good and doing justice with my students. That they can't say
Right.
that in online classes, uh, like कहते हैं ना कि online classes में teachers fully time devote नहीं कर रहे हैं. No student can say that. I'm devoting my full time, and with the same
Right.
dedication I am working for the students, because this period is not for the only
Right.
that result, that result oriented नहीं है. This is the basic year. Suppose it may destroy the base of the students. अगर 1 year gap आ जाता है स्टूडेंट की स्टडी में, तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम इशू हो सकता है. बट ये आप
Right.
जैसे हमारे व्यक्ति हैं जिन्होंने हमें पूरा सपोर्ट किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thanks to you. So definitely there are a lot of tools which are available. So it's up to the teachers. If they are willing to use those tools, definitely they can do wonders like you are doing. So
Yes, sure, sir, sure.
right. So coming to the topic for today, it's not only COVID which has impacted, but last month there was a regulation or a notice from the Delhi government that they are going to impose some regulations on the coaching industry as well, which has never happened in the past in India.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
in addition to that notice, there was a notice from DDA as well, wherein they tried to consider coaching institutions as part of a educational institution regulations. So any coaching institution which are running over 20 students, they were considered to be a educational institution, and then all educational institution regulations will apply, same as schools.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what's your thought process? How did you react when you heard that thing, and what's happening right now?
Sir, we are totally shocked that
Mhm.
just before 2 months, one and a half month before, we get the notice from the DDA that
Right.
so only those coaching center will be sustained. Those who have more than 20 students, they have to register themselves with the government.
Mm-hmm.
And we are totally shocked. First of all, we are not clear that number of students is 20, that the number of admissions for the subject is 20.
Okay.
So that is the main issue, first issue.
Uh-huh.
Second, they impose so much restrictions on us. Uh, it's okay that every time whenever there is some big changes from the government side, so always some restrictions are there, some oppositions, so options आते हैं हमारे पास.
Right.
So we have also some opposition, but uh, we are searching first good points from the DDA notice.
Mm-hmm.
That just like we have a CA lobby. we have a doctor lobby, like a lawyer, we have a bar association.
Right.
So if we all get registered, so somewhere we stand, like we have a coaching industry and we are the part of it.
Right.
So first thing, it is good for us. Secondly, uh, we are not rejecting the proposal. Yeah, we are not totally against the policies of the government. No,
Mm-hmm.
but there is required some negotiations from the government side also. That government have to
Mm-hmm.
consider all the points again. For example,
Mm-hmm.
we are very considered about the safety. The main point of DDA is safety of students, right? We are totally aware and
Right.
we are totally concerned, and we are actually providing the basic facilities to our students. They are asking for some basic facilities like
Mm-hmm.
water and parking and all. So we are ready to provide the students for it. But
Right.
they are regulating us to take fire certificate from the concerned authorities.
Uh-huh.
It's not easy to take fire certificate from the concerned authorities. We are okay
Mm-hmm.
that we can do some minor changes and some safety measures also. No
Mm-hmm.
doubt that in notice, those who have basement, those who have their coaching institute in basement, so they are on the first priority that
Mm-hmm.
they will see. They will seal to some.
Right.
Then we have to change our place. No doubt, it's not easy for us, but still, those institutes which are running in the basement, so they have to be shut down or they have to change their place. No doubt.
Right.
Secondly, again, still we are not rejecting the proposal. We are just
Mm-hmm.
negotiating with the government or with the our education minister or with the DDA that there is need to some
Mm-hmm.
revision of these rules. They have given us the last date
Okay.
of 14 November. They have just given the
Right.
last date of for the registration of form on the 14 November that 2020. But I guess
Right.
I'm not totally aware about it. But they have extended the
Uh-huh.
date because in the pandemic
Okay.
situation, those who are on the rented property and उन्होंने पहले ही अपना they
Right.
are working at home, working from their home
Right.
with their live session. So this is the big challenge for us, no doubt, that we don't have any such address to convey you that where we are working. And
Right.
after the pandemic situation, when the pandemic situation will be over, first of all, school will be offline. Then only coaching industry can
Right.
will be allowed, right? So we are just planning. We have to wait till the time the school will open. Then only we will decide to open. We
Right.
also want some safety measures from our faculty members and especially
Uh-huh.
for the students
Right.
because this situation, this virus, nobody knows that who is
Mhm.
carrying with him.
Right. So probably government has taken such step maybe because last year there was one incident happened in Surat which was very unfortunate.
Yes, yes, yes. Just
So,
because of this principle, yes, just because of this incident, DD has approached this.
but I was reading other than security, I think there are other things there are cases of wherein sort of cheating happens in the exams, which was probably
Uh-huh.
routed through some coaching classes
Right,
and
right, right, right,
some
right. Yes,
fees
yes,
regulations they want to bring in, I think, because some institution they charge absurd amount of fees from the parents. So
right, right.
it's not only security. I feel there are other aspects as well, which government is
Not
considering to bring into the regulation.
no, 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 Nishan sir. Actually, we can't join the school and coaching industry on one hand.
Right,
School is compulsory. School is compulsory for the students, but coaching is on parents' choice or students' go. If they
hmm
need, then they only join,
right,
and then they only join the coaching industry, right? Coaching institute. It is not compulsory for them. Second
right,
thing, there may be some institutes they are working like this, but here the choice is for parents.
hmm
So if government wants to enter in our arena and they want to decide our fee structure, then it's up to that why you are taking first the private schools.
right,
They are taking that so much amount from the
right,
students. So
right,
why मतलब वो सारी तलवार जो है वो हमारी कोचिंग
hmm
इंडस्ट्री में क्यों गिर रही है? If they
right,
want to regulate the fee structure, so first go to the
hmm
private schools.
right,
And secondly, schools, student going school for minimum for 5 hours, more than
uh-huh.
5 hours, students stay here. But here, but in our coaching institute, we know that. that one student come maximum for 2 hours, 1 hour
Right.
for 2 hour maximum
Right.
per day,
Right.
right? So we coaching industry should be separated from the school building,
Uh-huh. Right.
because कुछ laws हमने भी read किए थे that school building को कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री को स्कूल बिल्डिंग में ऐड करना, तो that's not fair for us especially.
Right.
And from the safety points and from the fire safety points, we are very considered for our concern for our students.
Right.
So
Right.
we will also we will happily accept all these policies. We are
Right.
not rejecting it.
But some of the things which I was reading are I think are really very tough. For example, there is a certain width of staircase you need to have, and considering
Ah,
the
yes,
small buildings in Delhi where many coaching institutions runs,
right,
so
right.
there should be a certain height of the roof. So there are a lot of very strict regulations, which I think if you go in the coaching classes, maybe more than 90% of it may not fit into.
No, yes, they can't fulfill the more than 90% institute can't fulfill the formalities required by the government.
Right.
In even one more policy,
Mm-hmm.
that one student should have 1 square feet area,
Uh-huh.
1 square feet area for the one student they are deciding.
Right.
Now suppose we have a room and we have a sitting plan of 30 students, right? अब इन 30 students के लिए we have a 30 square feet area,
Uh-huh.
which is quite very large.
Right.
So how we can manage this area? Second,
Right.
second thing, they want two entry and exit.
Uh-huh.
And now suppose I am working in some rental property here, and वहां पर मैं उसमें कैसे उनसे changes करवाऊं that no, I want two entry and exit,
Mm-hmm.
and
Right.
how we can manage. And second thing, we are not supported by the government in any way. Why
Mm-hmm.
suppose there are some schools who they are working on the government aided land, so
Right.
we are not providing such facilities. Even Kejriwal policies that commercial meter उसमें हम देखते हैं that they are doing giving 200 units, I guess, subsidies to the domestic and for the
Uh-huh.
commercial as well. But once we cross the limit, so they have a slab rate.
Right.
मतलब they have
Okay.
fixed rate price, उनका प्राइस चेंज हो जाता है. तो ये
Uh-huh.
भी एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है भाई. गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से अगर हमें कोई सपोर्ट मिलेगा तो हम भी वो सब चीजें करने को तैयार है कि वो हमसे अगर if they want to regulate our fee structure, if they want to regulate all the norms and education as
Uh-huh.
the schools follow, if they
Right.
want us to follow, so they have to support us.
Right. So
This is also
probably
the main point.
right. And these kind of regulations, I think, are first introduced by Delhi government only. I haven't heard this from any other states.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
probably other states may follow the Delhi government regulation. Maybe.
हाँ, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट की रेगुलेशन थोड़ी सी फास्ट है एंड नो डाउट. Suppose I guess I'm not blaming the all the other government schools, but still, if they are suppose Manish Sisodia sir, if they are actually planning to regulate us, so first of all, they just realize why the coaching industry arises, मतलब
Right.
why they are growing, because somewhere I'm not against the school teachers. They are well educated, well trained, and they have a very good. They are working actually very good, no doubt.
Right.
Yes, so we are not opposing the teachers, but as the school's teachers, their school teachers, maybe I think they are not efficient to teach, to give personal attention to their students. That's why students are coming with us.
Probably they are
So,
not motivated enough or incentivized.
yes, no doubt, no doubt.
Mhm.
So we are tuition is basically just a aid, a help to a student.
Mhm.
But sometimes students usually say that कि सर स्कूल में तो हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, आप जो पढ़ाते हो 1 मिनट में आ जाता है. तो मैंने कहा ऐसा नहीं होता. ये आप लोगों का एक कंसेप्चुअल बना, स्टूडेंट ने अपना एक माइंड मेकअप ऐसा किया हुआ है. बट
Mhm.
स्कूल टीचर्स दे आर गेटिंग गुड इनफ, अच्छी सैलरी उनको मिल रही है, एंड द स्कूल मैनेजमेंट एंड स्कूल प्रिंसिपल दे आर वाइज इनफ while
Mhm.
appointing them.
Right.
So a student can't judge any school teacher. So
Right.
ये
Right.
थोड़ा सा सिनेरियो तो है ही, but
Right.
still, and it's not compulsory that if you are a good student, then you may be a good teacher. And if you're a good teacher, so that means it is compulsory that you can teach any student. It is also
Right.
not possible,
True.
right? So ये है इशू. बाकी इसलिए कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री की जो जरूरत है वो स्टूडेंट्स को बाय चॉइस है.
Mm-hmm.
तो उसमें हम लोगों के ऊपर इतने रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस लगाने का कोई यूजलेस पॉइंट है. ठीक है, आप लोग सेफ्टी पॉइंट से बोलते हैं, बेसिक फैसिलिटीज बोलते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड देम.
Right.
हम उससे पीछे नहीं हटते हैं, राइट. क्योंकि कल को हमारे भी बच्चे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में जाएंगे,
Right. Definitely.
और भी आगे जाएंगे,
Mm-hmm.
राइट. सो अच्छा, स्पेशली थिंग कि वी आर वर्किंग ऑन अ वेरी स्मॉल प्लेटफॉर्म. We the academically,
Mm-hmm.
suppose if we are taking classes till the 12th, so we are on the very small scale. And those who are preparing some for UPSC exams or some entrance के exams की prepare कराने, SSC clerks के exams की तैयारी करवानी, तो
Mm-hmm.
उनको पहले rules and regulations उनको follow करने चाहिए, because they have
Right.
lot of stuff. They have
True.
lot of stuff at one time.
Mm.
So they should be targeted first.
Right.
But still, we all are same, no doubt.
Right.
We part of the coaching industry.
Right.
So in Delhi also, we have also prepared. We are also just forming a teachers association in
Okay.
Delhi, and we are just planning to unite
Uh-huh.
so that we can send our representatives to some concerned authorities and who can
Okay.
negotiate with them. So we
Okay.
are just planning for it.
Okay. So some action is being done on that front. Because in
That
Maharashtra,
actually is just in planning.
okay, in Maharashtra there is MCCOA, Maharashtra Class Owners Association, which is very active,
Okay.
and they
Yes.
have annual get-togethers, and it's a properly run body basically, wherein they're very
Right.
strong and they present their representative go to the governments and then talk to the people. So probably something similar you are planning in Delhi. You mean to say?
Yes, 100%. We are just planning it,
Okay.
and we are working on it. We have our senior teacher, Mr. Keshav Agarwal here,
Okay.
and Sumit Verma ji, and third is Nipun Nayyar sir.
Okay.
So they are working on it, and
Okay.
we have a firm belief with them, and
Mhm.
जिसे कहते हैं ना, because we are ready for every Sam Dam Dand Ved, we are with them.
Right. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So, how you are planning to approach to the government then? So you have formulated some kind of proposal from your side that what all things need to be like
yes, we are
accepted
just
and what
making
not.
some. Yes, we are making some proposals just like this.
Uh-huh.
We actually we have conducted a survey, a minor
Okay.
survey with all
Uh-huh.
of our teachers, that
Uh-huh.
who is going to fill this form. Yeah, who can fill this form? The who can easily can fill this all the formalities
Right.
which is asked by the government. So I guess nobody is favor for it,
Yeah. Right.
and we have not filled up the any form
Right.
till now. We are not filled up, and we are just planning to form a registered organization.
Uh-huh.
There is some president or some vice president or some chancellor, वगैरह, so that there is only some few people should be there to go to the government for the negotiation.
Right.
Because it is of no use that we 1,000 people just go and on the letterhead we are saying
Mhm.
that sir, these are the negotiations
No, you
and
need
I
to have a
can't work
representative.
with them.
Right.
I can't. We have to unite.
Right. Okay.
So that's why we are planning it.
Uh-huh.
We are just forming a formal organization so
Uh-huh.
that only few 10 or some 5 or 8 members they can go to the government, and they just say that sir, आप कल कहोगे तो 1,000 teachers आपके सामने होंगे.
Mhm.
So
Right.
that would be nice.
Right. Right. Definitely. So any meeting or discussion has happened till to the
No,
government yet or nothing
not
yet?
yet, not yet, not yet. We are
Okay. Okay.
working on it. We are
Okay.
working.
Okay. Okay. Great. So uh, probably coming back to the impact of COVID and new session is starting soon. Uh,
Okay.
so how are you planning or preparing for the same?
So for the coming session, first of all, we are not clear that when our coming session will start,
Right.
because
Because board
some
exams.
state boards, that board exams, some states have already declared that they are postponed their board exam. But
Mhm.
CBSE is still planning, and we are expecting from the CBSE that they should take final board exam till the
Mhm.
मतलब they will take the decision. I know they will take the decision at the end. मतलब because मतलब frequently and maybe at the January end, because once the vaccine comes, so they it may be जो है restructure their date sheets and all. So let's see.
Mm-hmm.
It's always hope for the best, because this pandemic situation makes us so uh, dicey to the CBSE
Right.
also. They are not aware. In
Uncertain.
Maharashtra, it is totally uncertain. In Maharashtra, I guess they have commented that 1st December the school will open.
Right. Now they have
हाँ,
postponed to 1st of January, I think.
देख लो. So
Right.
same will work here. Let's see, and hoping good for all.
Okay. So,
Everything will be good. We are just planning that after once the board exams over, that
uh-huh.
in March or April, I guess maximum, because it is a usual. I remember that year 2016 or 17, the last exam was on 23rd or 24th April.
Mm-hmm.
some humanities exam जो थे
Right.
वो वहाँ पे postponed हुए थे. So it's a usual situation. अगर if CBSE takes the decision that they will do all the conduct all exam in April, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be nice, no problem. So we will start a new session in the May.
Right.
Uh,
So it's going to be completely offline or mix of online plus offline?
uh, Sir, again, it's totally choice of students.
Mm-hmm.
We are comfortable with both online and offline sessions. We are
Right.
comfortable with both, but we are just planning that
Uh-huh.
it's actually choice of students or parents.
Right.
Because right now, because if I'm talking about the current situation, so in this situation, some good students who are some hardworking students,
Mm-hmm.
they are getting very smartly all benefits from the online session.
Mm-hmm.
But those some who are backbenchers, so
Mm-hmm.
they are just skip, and they are just trying to just skip the classes, online classes, कि कौन देख रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, and all.
Mm-hmm.
So they are just doing that. But still, we as a teacher, we are totally concerned, and we are ready to teach each and every student. And कहते हैं ना टीचर गुरु की और माँ बाप की जो कहते हैं ना उनके लिए बच्चे सब बराबर हैं.
Right.
उनके लिए सब बच्चे बराबर हैं, तो चाहे जैसा भी होगा उनके लिए
Mm-hmm.
सब बच्चे बराबर हैं. तो हम उसी पॉलिसी पर हम भी काम करते हैं.
Right. Okay. And how comfortable you are with technology now? Like teaching online, definitely you are using technology from long time, but
Yes.
teaching online is, and that too,
नहीं,
people were
it's
not
a fun
prepared for
also.
it.
Yes, no doubt. We have to. We are working, and we are actually hard working because हमारा work schedule भी बढ़ गया because of online session.
Uh-huh.
हमारे working hours बढ़ गए हैं. Because first initially we are not we are very not familiar with the technology, sir. So we are just in the morning. We are first recording our videos on
Uh-huh.
our some phone or some webcam. We are recording on it, and in the evening time we are playing live with the students.
Okay.
So and that was a very hectic schedule in the first
Uh,
2 or 3 months.
right.
But later on, we get some relaxation and we start teaching them online. So in the morning time, we have to prepare their assignments and all.
Okay. Right.
Just to connect the student and
Uh-huh.
to make him some busy in their studies. So that
Right.
is also necessary. But no doubt, students mostly parents are very happy कि
Uh-huh.
फर्स्ट मेरा स्टूडेंट जो थे वो फोन सिर्फ गेम के लिए लेता था. चलो शुक्र है पढ़ाई के लिए तो काम आ रहा है.
Right.
पहले पेरेंट्स मतलब बच्चों को फोन नहीं दे रहे थे, अब उनको इस सिचुएशन में नए परचेज करवाने पड़े.
Right.
तो ठीक है, सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है और ये हमारे इंडिया के लिए तो बहुत बड़ा एक हिस्टोरिकल एक्सपीरियंस बनने वाला है, नो डाउट.
Definitely. I think across world it will be a
अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, राइट, नो डाउट.
right. Mm-hmm.
एक हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट बन गया है सर.
Right. Okay.
बट
And
स्टिल आई एम. हाँ,
uh-huh.
यस सर.
So there are a lot of large online players also like Unacademy, Vedantu, Byju's. So
हाँ, यस सर, यस.
so how do you see them?
Officially, I can't say about them,
Uh-huh.
but I was thinking, that
Uh-huh.
somewhere we are talking about the notice of DDA.
Mm-hmm.
They are big online players.
Mm-hmm.
We know that Shah Rukh Khan is a brand ambassador of Byju's,
Right.
right? So I think they are the big online policy, online classes के big players हैं. So I thought कि they want to abolish all the coaching
Uh-huh.
institutes they are who are giving offline.
Uh-huh.
They just want to offer it, but we can't say. And here I
Right.
officially I can't say anything like them. But still
Right.
we are in a good competition here with the Byju's and all.
Right.
If the student wants to take online classes, they have the option to take class from the Byju's or from the other apps.
Right.
But still, they have full confidence on us,
Right.
and we have a I guess I can say the, some students have or parents have some close contact with us,
Right.
so that's why they are fully agree with us to take online classes from us as
Right.
compared to the Byju's and all.
Right. Even I feel because if you meet somebody even once, there is a strong connection. If
Ah,
you
yes,
have
yes, yes.
never
No
met, there
doubt.
is no connection.
There
Right.
is no connection. No doubt at all.
Even I can feel with the clients with whom I have met earlier. So there is a very
Hmm.
strong bond or connection which will always stay. But
Yes,
there
sir.
are
Yes,
many
sir.
clients I talk to them, but I have never met them. So
Okay. So you
there is a
can't.
difference. Right.
Yes, yes, yes. वो personal touch is
Right.
missing there.
I think same thing happens with online and offline teaching as well.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes.
And how students are taking it? What's your uh, what the feedback did you get from the students, and any message you want to give to the students who are studying from
Uh,
you or maybe from other teachers?
okay, okay, okay. So for students, I am very clear for the students
Mm-hmm.
that they have to manage their time. First of all, in the student life, students का सबसे बड़ा drawback is that they are not able to make their fixed timetable. They can't even manage their timetable because reason is this: I think they have a lot of things to do that we don't have at our time, but
Right.
they have done a lot of things.
Especially when they were given a mobile phone.
So especially and the second thing, आज तो सिक्स क्लास के बच्चे को भी पेरेंट्स जो ना वो चाहे इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटी दिलवा देंगे, बट ठीक है, साइकिल्स
Right.
तो बिल्कुल ही फिनिश ही हो गई,
Right.
तो फिनिश ही हो गई है। तो इसलिए बच्चों को क्या है कि थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल उन लोगों को अपना सेट करना चाहिए, एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अगर वो चीजों को मैनेज करेंगे तो दे कैन डू मच बेटर।
Mm-hmm.
सेकंड, मैं थोड़ा सा शायद मैं इस चीज को बोलूंगा कि मैं थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न टीचर हूँ,
Mm-hmm.
तो मॉडर्न के होते हुए मैं ये भी बोलूंगा कि आपको वो पोथी पुस्तक पढ़े सो पंडित होए, एक मुहावरा है ना, तो वो वाला काम ना हो। आपको पंडित तो नहीं बनना, दैट मीन्स कि आपको घुसे रहना है बुक्स के नहीं। इस टाइम जो वर्क है ना, इस टाइम जो सिनेरियो है एजुकेशन को लेकर,
Mm-hmm.
it's a time for smart study, not for the hard work. They have to be smart one while studying.
Right.
Uh, uh, they should use technology also, no doubt.
Right.
So with the help of technology, they can manage their time and they can cover their syllabus. And there should be some extracurricular activities with each and every student.
Mm-hmm.
होनी चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर, एक हॉबी पैशन हो या
Right.
कुछ और पैशन हो, बिकॉज इंडिया इज टोटली फुल ऑफ टैलेंट। विद दैट
Mm-hmm.
वी मोस्टली सी दैट इंडिया गॉट टैलेंट, तो उसमें बहुत दिखता है हमें। तो वो टैलेंट बच्चों में कहीं छुप ना जाए इस एकेडमिक प्रेशर के कारण। एंड स्पेशली वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी।
Mm-hmm. Okay.
लेट्स सी ये न्यू इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसकी कब से है, बट
Right.
आई एम ऑल्सो taking very active participation with our school management. I am also the committee member of management of school Saraswati Bal Mandir Azurigarh,
Okay.
and also the alumni head over there.
Acha.
Treasurer position मिला हुआ है।
Okay.
So I am working on it for the
Great.
school every time,
Okay.
and
Okay.
हाँ, so नीट स्मार्ट वर्क की जरूरत है। बच्चे को
Right.
कोई हार्ड वर्क नहीं चाहिए भाई।
Right.
फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ योर टारगेट इज एसआरसीसी सपोज, तो ठीक है, या तो दिन रात एक कर दो एंड
Mm-hmm.
99% ले आओ। 95% तो कुछ देखता ही नहीं है, नहीं
Mm.
अबाउ 97% चाहिए, ठीक है जी। बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू, या आपके थोड़ा सा स्कोर कम है, सो आफ्टर द स्कूल, आफ्टर द 12th एग्जाम, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर एंट्रेंस।
Mm-hmm.
because Delhi University has given the biggest opportunity to the students. Those who are not able to perform in the last year, so still
Right.
they have the time, they have the choice
Right.
to go through the entrance and get the very best college.
Mm-hmm.
But
Right.
still, uh, again, destiny comes. तो जब जहाँ ले जाए तो उसी की बात चलती है सर.
Right.
बच्चा हार्ड वर्क तो करता है, हार्ड वर्क तो कहते हैं ना सारे करते हैं, लेकिन
Hmm.
जिसकी डेस्टिनी जिसको जहाँ ले जाए वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज
Right.
है.
But especially as you are saying, India got talent. We see there are so much talent, and there's so much opportunities also. There are a lot of platforms, and
हाँ राइट.
every profession is booming actually. Be it sports, be it dance, it's all basically. Earlier it used to be only educational fields which was growing.
हाँ यस सर, यस यस यस.
So
Usually on the YouTube, I mostly said that he has become the IAS या she has become the IAS at the very early age.
hmm.
पहले कभी नहीं सुना था सर कि 20 25 साल का बच्चा या 28 साल का कोई स्टूडेंट और वो आज वो आईएएस और आईपीएस बन रहा है. तो
Right.
ठीक है, ये एजुकेशन लेवल हमारा बढ़ रहा है, बच्चों की ग्रूमिंग ऐसी हो रही है, सो दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. इसमें नो डाउट ये बहुत मैटर करता है कि बच्चों की जो ग्रूमिंग है वो कैसी है. फैमिली
Right.
फैमिली सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Hmm.
तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है सर. अगर स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह के पॉइंट्स को लेते हैं और इस चीज के बेनिफिट को एक्चुअली उठाना चाहते हैं तो उनको इसके लिए अपनी अपनी जनरल नॉलेज के लिए अपनी सोशल एबिलिटीज उनको इस तरह की इंक्रीज एनहांस करनी पड़ेगी.
Right. Parents के लिए any message you want to give? Because I
तो
think
पेरेंट.
you have a lot of students who are coming, and definitely their parents may be watching you. So
ओके.
anything you want to tell to them?
Especially for the parents, I just want to give a one short message. uh, have firm belief in your child. If they don't have the ability to teach, yeah, they don't have the ability to study, especially they if they are not able, if their students are not able to get the highest percentage in their class, so they should not bother them or pressurize them.
Mhm.
First of all, first
Right.
point is very clear. And I guess this mindset is also get changed
Right.
from the parents side also. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मेरे पास जो स्पेशली कुछ पेरेंट्स आते हैं तो वो कहेंगे ठीक है सर जितना ले आए कोई बात नहीं.
Right.
मतलब जितना ले आए कोई बात नहीं, और कुछ आके कहेंगे सर पढ़ना चाहिए. आप साम दाम दंड भेद कुछ भी लगा लो, आप पढ़ना चाहिए. तो ये पेरेंट्स टू पेरेंट्स ना माइंडसेट काफी
Right.
डिफरेंट.
Hmm.
राइट. अच्छा फिर उसमें हम बेसिकली नो डाउट अगर हम बात करें तो एक एजुकेटेड पेरेंट्स जो होंगे ना, ठीक है, मुझे ऐसा कहना नहीं चाहिए बट स्टिल जो एजुकेटेड पेरेंट्स होंगे दे वांट दैट कि देयर चाइल्ड शुड बी शुड गेट सम मोर एजुकेशन, सम हाई, दे शुड गो फॉर द हायर एजुकेशन.
Mhm.
राइट. बट अब वो सिनेरियो वैसे थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. आई एम कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग माय पॉइंट आल्सो
Mhm.
अगेन कि दैट सिनेरियो काफी चेंज है. ऐसा नहीं है, पेरेंट्स की सोच बहुत बदल रही है
Mhm.
एंड दे आर वेरी फैमिलियर विद देयर चाइल्ड बिकॉज इवन इन द अगर हम बात करें आज से 8 या 10 साल पहले की, तो एक बोर्ड का पेपर सीबीएसई का टफ आ जाता था तो पता नहीं कुछ बैड न्यूज सुनने को मिलती थी. इवन
Right.
एक 10th क्लास के बच्चे ने सुसाइड कर लिया या 12th क्लास के बच्चे, तो वो सब चीजें अब खत्म हो रही हैं. वो
Right.
सब चीजें वो सिनेरियो बिल्कुल खत्म हो रहा है क्योंकि एक तो
Mhm.
हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने इतना सपोर्ट कर दिया, एनसीईआरटी ने सिलेबस अपना कट डाउन कर रही है, मतलब बिल्कुल टू द पॉइंट चीजें बच्चों को पढ़ाने लग गई हैं. तो
Right.
ये चीजें बहुत मैटर
Right. Great.
करती हैं.
And to the teachers and faculties and other partner coaching institution, you want to give any message how they can
Okay.
cope up with this situation? Definitely you're doing well, so definitely I think you must be doing something different because uh, I keep hearing that इस साल कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, इस साल बच्चे नहीं हैं. So I know you are doing well. So any message you want to give to those institution?
नहीं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो जितने भी मेरे कोचिंग पार्टनर्स होंगे तो उनको सबसे पहला मैसेज तो यही है दैट वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट देमसेल्व्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्नोलॉजी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द
Mhm.
एनवायरनमेंट. राइट.
Right.
एंड वी शुड बी वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. एंड दोज सम कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जो भी है, तो अगर वो लोग टेक्नोलॉजी को सपोर्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं सो दे हैव टू
Mhm.
शट डाउन, नो डाउट एट ऑल. बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम of giving offline classes to the students is actually, I can say, it is a crime. Because आप दूसरे की लाइफ को एक चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन में डालते हैं। ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा क्राइम है ही अपने आप में। ऑफलाइन क्लासेस तो इस टाइम बहुत बड़ा इशू हो सकता है
राइट।
स्टूडेंट के लिए, बिकॉज एक इम्यूनिटी पॉइंट भी है, एज फैक्टर भी है, बच्चे की नासमझी भी है, तो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं। बट अगर आप टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अगर हम दे सकते हैं, उसमें वी कैन डू दैट कि वी कैन इंक्रीज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ क्लासेस, वी कैन इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स ऑफ टीचिंग, सो दैट आवर इंटरेक्शन विद द स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो थोड़ा सा एनहांस हो, इंक्रीज हो हमारा इंटरेक्शन बड़े बच्चों के साथ, दैट वी कैन डू।
राइट।
Or especially the other all faculty members, even if they are doing, if they are giving home tuition to their child on online or one-to-one teaching, actually this online coaching system is actually one-to-one education. It
राइट।
doesn't bother to the student ki who is sitting
राइट।
in next of me,
राइट।
right? So this is a very good advantage, but advantage उसी के लिए जो उठाना चाहता है
राइट।
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, but parents somewhere is satisfied है, sir it's good that you are taking totally 60 minutes class and हमारा टाइम बच गया, that 15 minutes स्टूडेंट का आना और जाना वो हाफ एन आवर उसका सेव हुआ, that they can give their time to the self study also.
राइट।
So everything has sir pros and cons, everything has
राइट।
pros and cons, no doubt. So
राइट।
मुझे ऑनलाइन अगर मैं पर्सनली अगर बोलूँ तो ऑनलाइन सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है, नो डाउट, लेकिन we are Indians, so we immediately we can't adopt this all word, right? मतलब चेंजेस को इमीडिएटली, ये तो एक सिचुएशन ऐसी आ गई जिसकी वजह से टीचर्स को भी अपने आप को चेंज करना पड़ा, स्टूडेंट्स को भी और पेरेंट्स को भी अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ा, राइट?
राइट।
बट सर ट्रूली फ्रैंक, आई डोंट थिंक सो कि नेक्स्ट सेशन में ही इतनी ही इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की हो, आई डोंट थिंक सो, because we don't have such habit.
राइट।
It's a part of our daily routine, and students को तो mostly वो गली के वो क्या ना वो नुक्कड़ के गोलगप्पे भी खाने हैं और उसको राइस भी खाना है।
बच्चे खाली पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आते कोचिंग, राइट?
बच्चे हाँ, राइट राइट राइट, खाली कोचिंग इसलिए नहीं आते। इवन गवर्नमेंट ने उस जो फॉर्म था उस फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है, डू यू प्रोवाइड वाईफाई फैसिलिटीज टू द स्टूडेंट? ओ माय गॉड, मतलब बड़ा एब्सर्ड क्वेश्चन मुझे ऐसा लगा
राइट।
कि व्हाई दे आर आस्किंग,
हाँ,
मतलब स्टूडेंट को हम यहाँ बोर्ड पे पढ़ा रहे हैं या उसको वाईफाई एक्सेस दे कि
मोबाइल पे।
आप मोबाइल पे वर्क करोगे, व्हाट इज दिस? मतलब सम
राइट।
क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, डू यू प्रोवाइड कैंटीन? अरे इट्स
अच्छा।
स्कूल टाइम, जस्ट स्टूडेंट 1 आवर के लिए हमारे पास आ रहा है,
राइट।
तो अगर हम उसको कैंटीन प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो वो पढ़ेगा कब?
Probably the same questionnaire for school, so
हाँ, वो मेरे को लग रहा है वो क्वेश्चनियर ही कॉपी पेस्ट हो गया है और कुछ नहीं है।
right.
वो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एक्चुअली बनने किसी और के लिए थे, लेकिन वो जो बिजली है वो शायद हमारे ऊपर गिर गई है। लेकिन ठीक है, उसको जहां तक जितना हद तक हो सकेगा हम लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके वर्क
Right.
करते हैं,
Right.
और मैंने चाहा तो जल्दी से उसका सॉल्यूशन निकाल ही लीजिए।
Definitely, I think
जगह
when
ही
all teachers are combined together, they can definitely find a solution, I think.
हाँ, 100%, for this we have to be united, मतलब
Right.
teachers, we all the coaching institute owners, we have
Right.
to make a formal association, and
Right.
we should get registered ourselves with the government or some concerned authorities,
Right.
and then only it is possible. Otherwise, individually we don't have any, I can say we don't have any recognition. We are
Right.
not recognized in individually.
Right.
बट
Right.
व्हेन हम जब बल्क में होंगे तो शायद आवाज उनके कानों में जाएगी, इंडिविजुअली
Right.
तो इम्पॉसिबल है।
Definitely. Right. And definitely you are teacher, so you will do it in a formal manner, not like what maybe other people are protesting today. We are seeing on the news channels.
Obviously,
Right.
yes,
So,
yes. We are well educated and we know that
right.
how to negotiate with the government, especially with
Right.
the policies.
Right.
So I told you about Mr. Keshav Agarwal. They have the best experience for this all.
Right. Correct.
So let's hope for the best.
Definitely. So that's all from my side, Hani ji. Anything you want to add or last message you want to give? Otherwise, we'll close this.
नहीं नहीं, we can close this. बस मेरा last point तो यही है कि from the core of my heart, I really thanks to the totally Proctor team, स्वप्निल
Thank
एंड
you so
संदीप
much.
जी। वो तो उनको तो जब फोन कर दो संदीप जी को तो ओके सर सर 5 मिनट में, मतलब बहुत सपोर्टिव है, आपका स्टाफ बहुत बढ़िया। और निशांत जी, मैं ऑडियंस को बता दूं अपने, ये हमारे फाउंडर हैं प्रॉक्टर के, और निशांत सर से शायद साल में 6 बार बात होती होगी। लेकिन जब बात होती है हमारी, तो आई गेस कभी भी 30-40 मिनट से कम नहीं हुई।
नहीं।
और हम जितना टाइम लेट करते हैं उतनी हमारी कॉलिंग लंबी हो जाती है,
बड़ी
और वी
बढ़
विल
जाती
डिस्कस ऑल द प्रीवियस टाइम।
है।
लेकिन
राइट।
ऑल स्टाफ इज टोटली कोऑपरेटिव, और बहुत थैंक्स है प्रॉक्टर को, प्रॉक्टर टीम को।
नहीं, thank you to you also, Hani sir, because
हाँ
our journey started with you. So we are
हाँ,
very thankful for your belief, and definitely we have a long way to go together.
या 100% sure,
And
100%. Just bring more new products. We will subscribe it.
definitely. And thanks to the audience who are watching us live today. So thank you for your questions.
Yes, special thanks to all audience and my students also. Those who are watching me live. Thank you
Right.
so much. All the family members, friends, relations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hani sir. We'll see you
Thank
soon
you,
again.
Nishati.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye, audience. Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.